Hi everyone, it's Peg, and today I am here for my creative year. We do a review each month, and all the teachers are going to have videos out there for you. I'll try to remember to put some links down below, or you can come and join us in the Facebook group. This is a year-long group where we do information for you. It's a free class offered on Facebook, and all the teachers have content there for you. So come on over, join the fun. So I'm going to talk about this. This is called Wreck This Journal, and this one happens to be the color edition. I know there are several editions that are out on the market. I picked this one up secondhand. Sometimes you can find these things in the secondhand store, but I think Amazon still has it available, and it's probably available in other places. But this is a really fun thing to do. Now, one of the things that we do, my friend Shell and I, each November, do a journal page challenge, and so it's nice to have prompts to help you do things, and that's kind of what this book is about. So let's take a little closer look at this. You can see that inside it starts out with all kinds of fun things. Cut holes here to peek at people. You are now a spy. Place your snack here while you're reading. Rub here with a dirty finger. Can you see the dirty finger mark? Yeah. Wreck This Journal. To create is to destroy. Now in color by Carrie Smith. And it's from Penguin Books. And it says here that the original edition, let's see, well, anyway, this is the color edition published in 2017. So there are a number of different editions out there. I don't know if the pages inside are a lot different, but, you know, if you run across one, check it out. It has warnings. It says, during the process of this book, you will get dirty. You may find yourself covered in paint or any other number of foreign substances. You will get wet. You may ask to do things you question. You may grieve for a perfect state that you found in the book in. You may begin to see creative destruction everywhere. You may begin to live more recklessly. Well, I don't think this is really reckless. I think it's just experimentation. And you know me, I'm all about experimentation. So there's an introduction, and you know, some people say, well, why is an introduction in here? Well, you know, read it. If you don't like it, paint over it. But I think there are some things in here. One of the things here, if you see it in bold letters, it says release all attachments to outcome. That's key when you're playing with art. You don't have to be worried about how is this going to end up all the time. You're just experiencing it. So make your marks. You know, do your best here. It says there are instructions to carry it with you as you go, to follow the instructions, that order is not important. And then to use the colored pages at the back to complete some of the prompts. So, you know, it gives a material list, which you don't have to follow at all. It says crack the spine. Nice black page. That would be good for some doodlers, I know. And then it says color this page. I'm starting now with the pages that you do. It says color this page red on purpose. And you can see there's a red scribble on here. I could take a red oxide ink, and let's get a stencil down, and let's do a little play, because that's what this is about, right? Getting ourselves immersed in what's part of this process. So I'm just gonna, you know, add some red ink to this, because it says to color the page red. So that's what I'm doing, is I'm adding red elements in here on this page. And not worrying about the outcome. Like I was told, not worrying about the outcome. So that's what I would do, is I would continue to add red until I'm satisfied and keep going on. It says pour, spill, drip, spit, fling, different colored drinks here. Well, I don't usually use different colored drinks. I have my tea. I have my tea that I'm drinking currently, and it has a tea bag in there. So I guess I could put my tea bag on there, right? I could just, do that. I don't want to put that back in my cup, but you get the idea. And, that of course is wet, so I would have to dry it off. But there's a lot of different things that you could use on this particular page. Okay, you can see the page is dry now, and you can see that the tea has stained the page. Coffee, any of that kind of stuff is going to change your paper, and it's got that wrinkly quality. So this one says poke holes through the page with a pencil. So you can just take a pencil and go ahead and poke some holes if you want to. You could back this with something else. You could actually cut other things out of here. This says draw fat and thin lines, pushing really hard with the pencil. So, I mean, you can see there's some lines that are already pushed on here. But, I mean, you make thin lines, you can make thin lines, you can do whatever it is you want to do. But you can see that this whole book is full of prompts and things like that. So, collect your pocket lint and glue it here, just fun things. Make a paper chain. Oh, okay, moving on. Climb up high, drop this journal. Tongue painting. Don't know if I'll do that one, but I might get one of the grandkids to try it out. Make a paper airplane. Colored circles, so you can take all different kinds of markers and things and just, have a fun time making circles on your page. Big circles, little circles, circles. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you can find this book if you're interested, and I hope you use these things to help stretch your imagination and get creative. So be sure and check out My Creative Year on Facebook and join in the fun. So that's it from me this month. Remember, you guys make a difference. Be kind to one another, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.